Bihar, West Bengal, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Haryana, Assam, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. Now, let's get into several types of rice varieties. Several types of rice varieties are consumed in our country, that is basmati, red, jasmine, parboiled, white, brown, and sticky rice. So, how to select seeds for organic paddy farming? To achieve better crop yield in the cultivation of paddy, using quality seed is an important factor. So, proper care has to be taken in choosing seeds of the best quality. Much of the success in raising healthy seedlings based on the quality of seeds. Seeds planted for sowing must satisfy the following requirements. The seed must be clean and free from obvious mixtures of other seeds. It must be mature, well developed, and plump in size. The seed must be free from obvious signs of age and bad storage. It must have a high germinating capacity. Now, let's get into organic soil preparation for paddy farming. In paddy cultivation, it is always good to study the nature, type, and nutrient content of the soil before adding nutrients. This entire activity can be done by having soil samples tested in a soil testing laboratory. A paddy needs to retain water well. Preferably, soil wants to include around 50% clay content and also soil underlain with an impervious harpen or clay pan helps to retain water. Topsoil must be ideally 18 to 23 cm deep. Manure can be applied based on the potassium, nitrogen, and phosphorus content of the soil. In paddy cultivation, the yield will be high when the pH level of the soil is between 5 and 6.5. If the pH level of the soil is below 5 or above 9, the yield will be poor. Alluvial soil, clayey and sandy clay soils are best suitable for paddy cultivation. Now, let's get into soil fertility management in organic paddy farming. In organic paddy cultivation, the application of chemical fertilizer is banned. It is suggested growers select a fertile land of cultivation. This early selection provides an advantage in maintaining leverage of quality and quantity. Moreover, growers must understand the proper soil maintenance and management of soil fertility for the sustainable production of organic paddy. The following are the references of soil fertility management as follows. The first is no burning of remaining straws and tillers in addition to any other organic materials in the rice field. This will cause loss of beneficial microorganisms and organic matters. The second is, growers may apply organic matter into the rice field of soil improvement frequently. The third is, increase organic matters in soil by growing leguminous crops. The fourth is, the rice field will not be left idle after harvesting and before planting rice. The area must be covered with leguminous crops and others such as cowpea, jack bean or sword, Indian, hemp and Sesbania restera. The fifth is, soil analysis must be done yearly. Adjust the soil pH level to 5.5 to 6.5. In the case of high acidic soil, it is suggested to use marl or wood ash. The atmosphere contains around 78% nitrogen. In paddy cultivation, some of the microbes that are usually used for the purpose include phosphobacteria, azotobacter, and azospirillum. They are not only decrease the cultivation cost of using chemical fertilizers but also increase the yield and fertility of the soil. Plant growth regulators are Panchagavya and Amirtha Karaisal. Now, let's see selection of seed in organic